everyone. Welcome to Wellbeing by PBN. This is Life Coach Ishneet Sharma from Soul to Soul Talk with Ishneet. Today we are going to discuss something very important. We must have heard in our childhood, a man is known by the company he keeps. What kind of company you are in makes a lot of difference to your lifestyle, to your thought process, to your life. So it is very, very important that we have the right kind of company. Now what do I mean by company? These days what happens is that on Facebook you have 1,000 friends, but real friends are missing. Real friends are not there. So you are blessed if you have real friends, and if you don't have, then please find out somebody who has similar interests, who has a similar viewpoint, and then you can share a lot with that person. When you have the right kind of company, if you have the right kind of people in your life, you must enjoy that company. More than this digital world, you must go sometimes for this digital detox. You should keep all your gadgets aside and talk to real people. They can not only be your friends, they can be your family, your community. They can be all like-minded people with whom you enjoy talking. They can be people who love traveling and you also enjoy traveling. They can be people who love talking about food, as you also can be a foodie. So the people who have like-minded interests will obviously gel along well. Why I am talking about company today? Company has a deep impact on your mental as well as your physical health. If you are blessed with right kind of friends, if you are blessed with right kind of community, you will learn a lot of things from them. You will learn patience, you will learn joy, you will learn happiness, you will learn so many things. What happens? When you have the right kind of company, the things that you want in your life automatically start coming in because your friends push you into the right direction. They guide you, they tell you that what you are supposed to do. But on the other hand, if your company is not right, if you are not with the right people, then it can have a negative impact in your life. So choose the right people to be around. Choose the people who have a similar kind of wavelength. Choose the people who have a similar kind of frequency, who talk about positive things, who talk about love, who talk about joy, who talk about forgiveness. These are the people who are going to motivate you and take you to another level. If you have right kind of community, if you have right kind of people in your life, automatically your life is going to grow. How you can get to know that you have right kind of people? When you are having joy inside, when you are having happiness inside, when you are growing day by day, you are growing professionally, you are growing personally, you are learning new things, you are reading new books, you are getting to know new things in life. At that time you will realize that you have the right kind of company. So as I said, right kind of things in your life will make a lot of difference. So keeping the right company, having the right community, gelling along with people who talk about positive things, who talk about growth, who read good books, is going to have a wonderful impact on your life. Try it out for 1 week. Gel along with the people whom you really want to make your friends. You can approach them. It is not important that they should come and talk to you. It can be other way around also. You can approach them, you can send them a friend request, you can send them a personal message that I love your company, can we be good friends? And when you will learn from that friendship, when you will grow in that friendship, then you will realize the value of the right company. So today my advice to all of you, to keep good health and to keep joy in your life, you should have real friends, real good company with whom you can enjoy and you can share all the things that you want to. This will keep you away from any kind of depression or low feeling. So go for it. Have wonderful friends. I am so blessed to have wonderful friends in my life, and I am so lucky to have them all. Thank you. Take care. This is Life Coach Ishneet Sharma signing off from Wellbeing by PBN. And if you have any query or if you have any question about good company, right company, or what kind of company can uplift you, you can leave it in the comment box. I will definitely answer your queries. Take care. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.